Everyone thinks the best-selling Kitchenaid stand mixer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Artisan 5QT in Almond Cream. Let's kick things off with the Artisan 5QT Tilt Headstand Mixer in Almond Cream. Priced at $489. This Kitchenaid model instantly caught my attention with its beautiful design and bestseller badge. If you want reliability and style in your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. The Artisan features a durable metal construction and a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, capable of mixing up to 9 dozen cookies in one go. That means fewer batches and more time enjoying delicious treats. With 10 speeds, you can whip cream, knead dough, or mix cake batter without breaking a sweat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started, having a mixer that can handle various tasks is a game changer. With over 23,000 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's clear people love this mixer. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it could be tough to lift. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a sturdy mixer that won't slide around while mixing, that weight actually helps. It's perfect for anyone who bakes regularly. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, stylish mixer that can do it all. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for quick jobs. For the quality and features, the price is justified. Now, if the Artisan's price point seemed a bit high for you, this next one offers similar features at a lower cost. Product number 2. Artisan 5QT in Pistachio. Next up is the Artisan 5QT Tilt Headstand Mixer in Pistachio, retailing at $492. This model is another bestseller, and it's easy to see why with its charming color and solid performance. If you want a mixer that matches your unique style while delivering powerful results, this is definitely worth a look. Just like the Almond Cream version, this mixer has a 5-quart stainless steel bowl perfect for mixing large batches. It shares the same 10-speed settings, and the tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients. The difference here? You have over 20 colors to choose from, so you can pick one that fits your kitchen decor. The reviews are also impressive with a 4.7-star rating from 23,000 users. Here's why this matters for you. Aesthetics can enhance your cooking experience, and a mixer that looks good can inspire you to whip up delicious recipes. Some buyers have mentioned that the pouring shield can be cumbersome. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it helps eliminate messes when adding ingredients, making cleanup a breeze. It's ideal for anyone who wants a stylish yet functional kitchen appliance. This is perfect for you if color and aesthetics are as important as functionality. Skip this one if you prefer a more basic design without frills. You're getting great value for a reliable mixer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a slightly smaller capacity. Product number 3. Classic Series 4.5 QT. The Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt headstand mixer in Onyx Black comes in at $399.95, and it's a great choice for those who want KitchenAid quality without breaking the bank. If you want a dependable mixer for everyday tasks, this model is worth considering. With a 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl, you can mix up to 8 dozen cookies in a single batch. The 10-speed settings mean you can handle everything from slow mixing to high-speed whipping. This is especially helpful for beginners who need a versatile mixer that grows with their skills. Plus, it has over 12,100 reviews and a 4.8-star rating, showing that many love its reliability. But some users have mentioned that it struggles with very thick doughs. Here's the thing, though. If you're only baking occasionally or making lighter mixtures, that won't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for someone who wants a solid mixer for basic baking needs. This is perfect for you if you bake for family gatherings or casual get-togethers. Skip this one if you plan to tackle heavy-duty baking projects regularly. For the price, it's a pretty good deal. Now, if you need something with a bit more power and capacity, the next one might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4. 8.4 QT Commercial Stand Mixer. The Zacme 8.4 QT Commercial Stand Mixer retails for $499.99 and is designed for those serious about baking. If you're tired of constantly mixing in batches, this model could genuinely change your baking experience. With an impressive 8.4 quart capacity, this mixer can handle up to 3 kilograms of dough at once. Powered by an 800W DC motor, it has 11 speed settings for efficient mixing. Imagine mixing large quantities of bread or pizza dough without the hassle of multiple batches. It's perfect for large families or anyone who bakes for events. Plus, the ultra-low noise level means you can mix without disturbing anyone, which is a huge plus in busy kitchens. This product has a solid 4.7-star rating from 737 reviews. However, some users noted it takes up a lot of counter space. Here's the deal though. If you're baking regularly and need a powerful mixer, that space is worth it for the efficiency you gain. It's definitely a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent baker who needs serious power. Skip this one if your kitchen space is limited. For what you get, it's a good value for larger tasks. Now, if you want top-of-the-line performance for commercial use, let's talk about the last one on our list. Product number 5, NSF Certified Commercial Series. Finally, we have the NSF Certified Commercial Series 8 QT Bowl Lift Stand Mixer, priced at $999.95. This Kitchenaid model is perfect for serious bakers or small business owners. If you want industrial-grade performance that can handle heavy-duty tasks, this mixer is the one to consider. With an 8-quart stainless steel bowl and a powerful motor designed for longer mixing times, this mixer is built to last. The bowl lift design provides stability, making it easy to mix heavy doughs and batters efficiently. The high torque with less heat buildup means you won't have to worry about overheating during those long baking sessions. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from 981 reviews, many users rave about its durability. Some people mention the price as a downside, but honestly, if you're running a bakery or bake frequently, this mixer will save you time and effort in the long run. It's built for those who take baking seriously and need top performance. This is perfect for you if you want a commercial-grade mixer that can handle anything you throw at it. Skip this one if you're a casual baker just looking for something to whip up cookies on the weekend. The investment is definitely worth it for those who need that level of performance. So, there you have it, the top 5 Kitchenaid stand mixers. From the stylish artisan models to the powerful commercial options, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a casual baker or a pro, the right mixer can make all the difference in your kitchen. Choose wisely.